Hey, Jeff Wondra here from Snell Motors. Today I want to talk about hands-free power liftgate. I feel like a lot of people have this feature. It's been out for almost 8 years and maybe don't know about it, or when they're out car shopping, it's something that's kind of neat to know. It's a really good feature, and people often use the other ways, like pushing the button on your door or pushing the button on your remote to open the liftgate. But when your hands are full in that situation, that hands-free power liftgate is awesome. So first step to know if you have a power liftgate, there's going to be a button like this on the door that says off, 3/4 or max, and some vehicles it's going to be located on the upper console as well. But when you come around to the back of the vehicle, there's a proximity sensor that knows you're within 3 feet of it, or you're within kicking distance. Now in the newer vehicle, you have the luxury of this light, and this light shows you where to make that kick motion. So you just simply make that kick motion, you'll see the light that shows you that it received that signal, and the liftgate goes up. Now in this situation, and the key's in my pocket, the hands-free power liftgate would be fantastic, right? In some of the older vehicles, like the 2017 Acadia, for example, the power liftgate in the XT5, I believe, the power liftgate kick, A, doesn't have the light showing down there, and B, is not where you kick. You actually kick from this side, right about here, in order to make that work on those older ones. So just find out where that is, but it works well, and you'll run into that situation where you really need, your hands are full and you need somebody to open that liftgate, and it's gonna be great to have once you notice it. So if you're wondering why that light is shining down on the ground, now you know. Hands-free power liftgate.